Welcome back, everybody. I am showing you guys Revel Nails 2020 Spring Summer Collection. Whoever their graphic designer is does a wonderful job on the packaging for these collections every 6 months. I love it. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys the collection. It comes with 6 different colors, 2 jam-packed glitters, 2 shimmers, and 2 solids with matching lacquers. So these are matching nail polishes. They're great for your mini-me if you have a little one at home, or they're also great if you want matching toes, which is me, or if you like nail art. I definitely plan on putting these lacquers to the test when I do my nail art videos. I can't wait for you guys to see what I have planned for my next mani. So let's get into the video. This is a solid mustard yellow color. It's great for bees, lemons, pineapples, you name it. This one is jam-packed full of glitter, absolutely gorgeous. Looks beautiful when it's topped off. This is a solid classic red, really great for summer. Swell is a shimmery aqua blue. Crush is a wonderful coral, full of glitter. Reef is a nice magenta purple with nice shimmer. Now I'm just going to swatch all of the colors so you can see them with their matte finish, see how they apply, and really just make your decision if you really love these colors. Here are the finished swatch. You can see the nail polish compared to the dip that's on the nail swatch. And here they are in indirect sunlight. I'm going to show you guys what they look like in direct sunlight as well, so you can see how bright they are. And then I'm going to show you guys inside so you can see what it looks like indoors, because we all know different lightings look absolutely different. Here's the end of it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I had to pick a favorite out of these, it would definitely be Babe, and I think they really crushed it with Crush, pun intended. Anyways, I love these colors. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to do a bunch of different summer combos. So let me know, guys, what you think, which one's your favorite, and did you buy the collection?